Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to explain how to introduce ourselves in three different situations. The situations are non-formal introduction, formal introduction, and job interview introduction. Each type of introduction has a different style, tone, and purpose. Now, let us begin with the first one. The first one is a non-formal introduction. A non-formal introduction is usually used when we meet friends, classmates, or people of the same age. The language is relaxed, friendly, and not too serious. This type of introduction helps us feel comfortable and close to each other. Add short personal information. We can talk about hobbies, interests, or daily activities. Hello everyone, my name is Irfan Ridho Nugraha. I was born in Jember, but I grew up in Malang. I can speak several different languages in Indonesia, namely Sundanese, Javanese, and Indonesian. I can speak Sundanese because I also live in Bandung. Besides on the island of Java, I also live on the island of Bali, precisely in the city of Denpasar, but only for a few months, so I cannot speak Balinese. I often travel around the city because I still live with my parents. My father often moved to another city. That's why I often move from city to city. It's actually fun, but also troublesome and sad. It's troublesome because I have to move from school to school, and it makes me sad because I have to separate from my friends. My hobby are playing basketball and traveling. I once traveled alone to Banyuwangi just to go to the beach. Even though there are lots of beaches in Malang. Playing basketball is very fun. Even when I was in high school, when it was time for a break, my friends and I would go straight to the sports hall to play basketball. Just like now, when I was in the dormitory, I also often played basketball here, but I can't do it all the time. Even after college, I didn't necessarily have time to play basketball because of the many assignments that pile up. Currently, I am studying at the Oil and Gas Academy. This campus is located in Blora district, precisely in Cepu district. The second one is a formal introduction. Formal introduction is used in official situation, such as meeting teachers or lecturers, talking to older people, meeting supervisor or respected guests. Attending formal events, the language should be polite, respectful, and well structured. Formal introduction, we begin with a polite greeting such as good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. We introduce ourselves using our complete name. Show respect, we express politeness and appreciation. We end the introduction with respectful words. Let me introduce myself. My name is Irfan Ridho Nugraha. I am a first year student in the Oil and Gas Logistics study program and currently studying at an oil and gas academy. I am interested in engineering, particularly those related to industrial process, occupational safety, and environmental management. During my studies, I actively participated in various academic and non-academic activities. I aimed at improving my critical thinking skills, teamwork, and professional responsibility. Furthermore, I am accustomed to conducting field observation, data processing, and preparing reports in accordance with scientific writing standards. Through this opportunity, I hope to establish good communication and cooperation with all parties. I sincerely hope to be able to contribute positively, develop my competencies, and gain valuable experience that will support my future academic and professional development. The third one is a job interview introduction. Definition and introduction during a job interview is professional and goal-oriented. The purpose is to show your personality, your skills, your motivation to work. This type of introduction should leave a good first impression. Step of job interview introduction: professional greeting. Start with a polite greeting. Say thank you the interview for the opportunity. Introduce your name and background. Mention your name and short. Steps of job interview introduction: professional greeting. Start with a polite greeting. Say thank you. Then the thank the interviewer for the opportunity. Introduce your name and background. Mention your name and a short description of yourself. Mention your strengths or skills. Talk about your abilities, such as communication, teamwork, or willingness to learn. Confident closing end by showing confidence and readiness to contributed. Good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Irfan Ridho Nugraha. I am a graduate or students of the Oil and Gas Logistics study program with a strong interest in the industrial sector, particularly those related to supply chain management process, occupational safety, and operational efficiency. I am accustomed to working systematically, disciplined, and responsible in carrying out every task assigned. During my education, I gained experience through academic activities, field internships, and technical report preparation, which honey my analytical, problem solving, and teamwork skills. I am also accustomed to working with targets and able to adapt to a dynamic, safety-oriented work environment. Through this interview, I hope to explain my potential and competency and how I can make a positive contribution to the company. I am highly motivated to continue learning and develop professionally, and committed to delivering my best performance if given to opportunity to join.